Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing how to make a fake nose ring for the nostril. For materials, I will be using a flush cutter, a bail making plier with a size 8 barrel, 20 gauge wire, round nose plier, a jeweler's file, a chain nose plier, and a wire straightener. To make the ring, you want to start with wire that is straight. Then I go in and I trim the end of the wire flush by placing the back of the flush cutter towards the wire I'm going to keep. Next, I'm going to make a loop. You can make your loop the same size as this one, or you can go smaller or a little bit larger. You want to ensure that your loop is securely closed. Once the loop is closed, you'll need to go back in and center the loop. Next, I'm going to stand the loop up, and I basically use the chain nose to grip it like I am doing in the video, and then I slightly twist my hand towards me to make it stand up. With the loop pointing up, I placed it on the 8mm barrel, then I make a ring. To cut the ring, I place it on a ruler and I measure 0.3 centimeters from where the loop is at. Then I ensure that the cutter, the back of the cutter, is facing the ring that I will be keeping, and I cut there. Then next, I twist the ring slightly towards me and I ensure that the end is smooth. You can use a plier to reshape the ring if you would like to. And if you'd like to add extra strength, you can hammer the ring. And if you don't have a bail making plier, you can use a pen or a marker to shape the ring. I do hope this video was helpful, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for supporting, and I'll see you in the next one.